Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn 100 essential Japanese phrases for beginners. These phrases will help you with greetings, polite expressions, travel, restaurants, shopping, and daily conversations. For each phrase you will hear, first, the English phrase. Second, the Japanese translation. Then a short pause so you can repeat it. Let's start learning Japanese! Part 1. Greetings. Hello. Konnichiwa. Good morning. Ohayou gozaimasu. Good evening. Konbanwa. Good night. Oyasumi nasai. How are you? O genki desu ka? I am fine. Genki desu. Very good. Totemo ii desu. Not bad. Waruku nai desu. Nice to meet you. Hajimemashite. Pleased to meet you. Douzo yoroshiku. Welcome. Youkoso. Long time no see. Ohisashiburi desu. Part 2. Polite expressions. Please. Onegai shimasu. Thank you. Arigatou. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu. You're welcome. Dou itashimashite. Excuse me. Sumimasen. Sorry. Gomen nasai. No problem. Daijoubu desu. Of course. Mochiron desu. Yes. Hai. No. Iie. Maybe. Tabun. All right. Wakarimashita. I understand. Wakarimasu. I don't understand. Wakarimasen. Please speak slowly. Yukkuri hanashite kudasai. Can you repeat that? Mou ichido itte kudasai. Part 3. Basic conversation. What is your name? O namae wa nan desu ka? My name is. Watashi no namae wa. Where are you from? Doko kara kimashita ka? I am from. Kara kimashita. Do you speak English? Eigo o hanasemasu ka? A little. Sukoshi. How old are you? Nansai desu ka? I work as. Watashi wa. Please speak slowly. Yukkuri onegai shimasu. Can you help me? Tetsudatte kuremasu ka? Part 4. Asking for directions. Where is the bathroom? Toire wa doko desu ka? Where is the train station? Eki wa doko desu ka? Where is the airport? Kukou wa doko desu ka? Where is the hotel? Hoteru wa doko desu ka? How do I get there? Dou yatte ikimasu ka? Left, hidari. Right, migi. Straight ahead, masugu, near. Chikai. Far, toi. Here, koko. There, soko. Part 5. Shopping phrases. How much is this? Kore wa ikura desu ka? That is expensive. Takai desu. That is cheap. Yasui desu. Do you accept credit cards? Kado wa tsukaemasu ka? Can I pay cash? 現金で払えますか? I would like this. これをください。Part 6. Restaurant phrases. A table for two, please. 二人です。May I see the menu? メニューを見せてください。Water, please. 水をください。Tea, please. お茶をください。The food was delicious. とても美味しかったです。The bill, please. お会計お願いします。Part 7. Daily expressions. What time is it? 今何時ですか？ Today. 今日。Tomorrow. 明日。Yesterday. 昨日。Now. 今。Later. 後で。Let's go. 行きましょう。Wait a moment. ちょっと待ってください。Good luck. 頑張って。Take care. 気をつけて。See you later. また後で。Goodbye. さようなら。Great job! You learned 100 phrases. Subscribe for more. See you next time. じゃあね。